Our PTSA is asking what more they can do in terms of evening events at one of our buildings. And they don't get a lot of feedback. They get the same feedback all the time from small groups of people that are able to come to work come to school during the day to meet, which really limits your audience, or the few people that they talk to in their own social circles. But by using the exchange, they're getting a huge amount of feedback from people who aren't able to attend meetings during the day, those who work, all different people in the community that aren't traditionally able to weigh in on a lot of their decisions in this parent group, and receiving great ideas for the types of things that they would like to see for their kids too. And the other really valuable piece of that, as simple as the example is that group of people now who don't feel included because they can't get to a meeting in the middle of the day because they're working, now feel like they have a voice in a school decision and in school programming.